Have you noticed a change in your hearing? Maybe your friends or your spouse did. Have you been having trouble clearly understanding what's being said? It could just be clogged earwax. It could be nothing. You had your annual physical exam not too long ago and your doctor didn't say anything. Your hearing is probably fine. You do find yourself asking people to repeat themselves more often. You have been inching the volume up on the television more and more, and using the speakerphone more frequently. And recently it has been harder for you to follow conversations while at restaurants. Maybe it is time to visit an audiologist and have your hearing tested. Some things in life give us an obvious trigger that something is wrong. A sore tooth, blurry print, chronic pain. These experiences trigger us to call the dentist, the eye doctor, or a specialist. Since hearing loss is typically a gradual process, it's not always as noticeable or obvious, and you may not realize how much you're missing or how much it's affecting your daily life. It's kind of like slowly dimming a light bulb. It's not until it gets really dark that you realize you can't see well. And that's just like hearing loss, since it can set in gradually over time. Making that first call is an important step in determining if you have hearing loss at all, and it puts you in the right direction to finding solutions. For over 30 successful years, the audiologists at Red Rose Hearing Center have been specializing in diagnosing and treating the ears and hearing loss. The first thing we do is discuss your hearing health history and get to know your concerns and your needs. Once we fully understand your unique situation, we will perform a few simple hearing tests to see where your current hearing range is. The results of these tests are plotted onto a chart called an audiogram, which displays the ranges and frequencies of your hearing. If the results of these tests show that your hearing is within normal limits, then you're all set. We do recommend that you continue to have your hearing checked every year, like you do for your eyes, your teeth, your heart, and all your other annual health visits. It's important to monitor your hearing health, because the initial baseline can help serve as a comparison if you begin to notice any changes in your hearing. That way we can take preventative measures if needed. If the audiogram shows that you do have hearing loss, we will spend time with you explaining your results so you understand them. We will then present and demonstrate all the available solutions and options for your personal hearing needs. We have found that one of the best ways to help people realize how much they'll benefit from hearing devices is to provide them with a live listening demonstration. We recommend that you bring someone that you trust with you to your appointment. We have found that during the listening demonstration, it's more comfortable for you to hear a familiar voice. This evaluation will allow us to work together to determine which devices and styles are best for you, your listening needs, and your budget. As a private, independently owned and operated hearing healthcare and hearing aid dispensing practice, Red Rose Hearing Center can help you choose the best devices for your needs from all the major hearing aid manufacturers, which means your satisfaction and improved hearing is our bottom line. Hearing clearly and understanding what's being said around you is essential to your everyday activities and overall quality of life. We all depend on our hearing and the ability to communicate every day. Hearing is crucial whether you're at home with your loved ones, out with friends, talking on the phone, or speaking to a doctor. We believe that hearing health is healthcare. And because hearing affects more than just your ears, it makes sense to take care of your hearing health the same way you take care of the rest of your health. Hearing devices are not a one-size-fits-all commodity, and a generic personal sound amplifier is no substitute for a professional evaluation. Trust your hearing to our professionals to ensure that you're living the life you deserve. Your appointment at Red Rose Hearing Center will be an informative experience that will put you on the path to better hearing healthcare. Our goal is to provide you with a positive experience where you understand your ears and your hearing, and if needed, that you understand the most appropriate and affordable solutions for your hearing needs. Listen to the TV at a comfortable level for you and your family, and participate in all the conversations that happen around you. Live life with less whats, can you repeat that, and excuse me's. Schedule your appointment with Red Rose Hearing Center by calling 717-207-9679 or visiting our website at www.redrosehearing.com.